Hi there, I'm Monica Lindstrom, and this is Legally Speaking. This week I want to talk to you about a very sad and serious issue that happened here in Arizona. Recently you heard about the 9-year-old little girl who was at a private gun range shooting an Uzi. When she was doing that, she accidentally killed her certified instructor that was standing right next to her. Very, very sad case, and people have been asking, what happens now? Well, first of all, let me tell you that Arizona has a lot of laws regarding firearms and the ownership of the firearms and the ages of people who can carry those. I encourage you to go ahead and look those up if you're interested in those, but for purposes of right now, those really don't matter for this case. So people are asking, what happens now? Well, there's a couple things that could happen. Number one, could there be some kind of criminal action against the 9-year-old little girl and or her parents? Well, could there? Yes, theoretically there could be, but she is 9 years old. She's not even close to being tried as an adult or even a juvenile because she is so young. So I highly doubt that the county attorney's office would have any kind of criminal action against her or her parents, whether for negligence or any kind of intentional act. Next, a civil lawsuit. Could the family of the instructor turn around and sue the little girl and her family for wrongful death? The answer is yes. They could very well try to sue the family for that. The problem is what are they going to get from that civil lawsuit? They might get some money, they might get a judgment, but nothing will bring their family member back. Nothing will bring that instructor back to them, their dad, their husband, their family member. It's not going to happen. So even though they could file a lawsuit against the little girl and her parents, will it really do any good? And the answer is probably not. Next, could the family sue the gun range, the owner, and perhaps get to their insurance policy? Absolutely. If the gun range had some type of insurance policy that would cover a situation like this, the family of the certified instructor could very well sue the gun range owners and get to that insurance policy. Again, it would be a very difficult trial litigation because it would be so sad and very emotional, but it could spark a change in the law. What I'd like to say about this whole case is that it really is a sad lesson. It's a little girl who was shooting a gun, even with the permission of her family, her parents standing right next to her, and a certified instructor. She was trying to do something that was just a little too big for her, a little too strong for her. And to that I say, just because she can be on that gun range, just because she can pick up a firearm, just because she can do it because her parents and the instructor are there allowing her, doesn't mean that she should. So next time you think about having your kids do something, think twice about it and make sure that they are both mentally and physically able to handle whatever you're about to give them. You can follow me on social media. You can also listen to me during the week on Mac and Gatos' show, Monday through Friday from 2 to 6 p.m. I'm their news commentator and legal expert. You can also hear me on The Agenda with Joe Huizenga Sunday nights from 6 to 8 p.m. right here on KTAR. Until next time, take care.